welcome to Lety Does Road Trip to Frank & Son's Collectible Show. Why are you laughing at me, Andrew?
I don't know, okay? Now we're going to the Collectible.
Well, I know, but we're not there yet. Okay, so Andrew and I have come to Frank & Son's Collectible Show. This is actually the reopening because they moved from their older location that they were at before to this bigger one, which used to be the warehouse for the Sam's Club that closed down. And I was really excited for the grand reopening because this location has a lot more parking, or at least it's supposed to, but it is packed to the brim here and we had to park far away. But yeah, there's the show all the way over there, and this is how little parking there is. It might just be the hype of the reopening because this is actually probably the most popular kind of like small convention collectible show type of thing that happens pretty regularly for here in the LA area. So a lot of people for years had been saying that there's just no parking and it's impossible, and now they got bigger parking and they're reopening, and hopefully, you know, with this new bigger size they can house more vendors. In their old location, I believe that it was 125,000 square feet, and in this new one it's bigger, but I will get the specifications later because that involves my phone. But I looked it up and I think it's a little bigger. So yeah, they had been saying that they wanted to house more vendors for a while now. They had about, I think it was 150 is where they were capped out at, and it ranges from, you know, card vendors, games, collectibles in regards of like memorabilia, comics, and I don't know, basically anything, toys. They added an arcade section at the other one before they moved over here.
Oh, arcade? I love arcade.
You never remember them though, so.
I love arcade. That's like my favorite Nintendo.
I already took you and you forgot!
I know!
Anyway, so yeah, basically anything that you are a fan of, they would have something here. So I'm just gonna go in, check out the new layout, see how crazy it is inside since this is opening day. They opened at 9 and it's almost 1 p.m. right now, and it looks like things haven't really let up. So yeah, very exciting. Let's go see. We're here, by the way.
Yay.
Let's go. Okay, so it looks like all the coin thingies, or what are those called? Yeah, got out here. Oh shit. Okay, well, first thing, the aisles are bigger. Just right off the bat, I'm still at the entrance, but the aisles in between are definitely bigger. Wow, I don't know. There's a lot of people here today. It's pretty wild. And you know, in the previous location at the other warehouse, it actually didn't have air conditioning. And I feel like in here it's a little less stuffy than it was over there. So immediate plus, even if I don't like know exactly what's around, because it looks like some people still aren't done setting up from the move. So there's quite a few places that are like this that just don't have anything set up. But yeah, and like I think these spaces are empty as well. It looks like they're still, you know, migrating people over. Apparently it's very hard to move everyone from the established location that opened in like 1988 and has been there, you know, for so long, migrated, I think, like, what, 10 minutes over? Something like that.
I think.
The difference is like 10 minutes, and now it's 10 minutes closer to LA. Same general area, but different exact location. Still very packed though. Still so many people. It's also Saturday, so that might also play a factor as well. Huh, I wonder what's on the other side of this tarp. I don't really remember the layout for the Sam's Club that was here, but it looks like there's still like space behind these like black curtains, but you cannot go past. So maybe they just have some storage stuff back there that they're still getting sorted out and they just don't want people to mess with right now. But I don't know. It's kind of interesting. I suspect that also, aside from the own storage that it would take to run this place, there's also like the factor of just setting up designated areas like the arcade, which I guess they're not done yet. Oh yeah, they're nowhere done setting up. Look at all the stuff back there. Yeah, so maybe the tarps will go down later once they figure out like where to put everything, but it definitely looks like they're still setting up. It's still kind of fresh, you know. We've gotten to the card vendors and such. I don't really know anything about sports, so I don't really get all this stuff here. Well, if this opening day is any indicator of how it's going to be regularly, then that just means that even after the move, Frank & Sons has successfully managed to create a bi-weekly, you know, convention to the point where it's almost a full-scale convention, and then admittance and parking is free. Parking if you can find it, and it's twice a week, so yeah. Oh my gosh, they do have the Toys R Us sign. So the Toys R Us that was in this lot also closed down, and since they're all about collecting memorabilia, they bought it. People were asking them if they were gonna put it up and like light it up, and well, at least they have it on display out here right now. Okay, so I was wondering where the Ronald McDonald stuff was, because the guy who actually started this place, Frank Samaripa, he bought a lot of the older like Ronald McDonald memorabilia, and in the other place it was like this whole display that they had just filled with like older Ronald McDonald stuff, because he was a big supporter of the Ronald McDonald charities and he donated a lot of money to support that. So he does own a lot of the memorabilia as well. It looks like it was only that Ronald McDonald that they have on display right now. But again, they're still moving stuff, so I don't really know like where the rest of it would be other than in storage. But we haven't really, you know, walked around everything yet. There's still that entire side, and I'm kind of just randomly going through the lanes. So yeah, I just wanted to look a general overlook before I started checking out more specific things. Oh, look at those figures up there. Interesting. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go down there and just see where everything else is. Yeah, we can go row for row, just so it's not as overwhelming. I just wanted to give all my like information stuff. Yeah. Ooh, interesting. was about as overwhelming as the usual convention. There's so many people here today. It's probably because it's Saturday. Saturday it's usually crazier. Wednesday it tends to chill out a little more, but also it's opening day, so I don't know. A little bit of both, I assume. I don't know what these are, but the packaging looks pretty old. Tattoos. Fright flicks. I see. Dick Tracy. Return of the Jedi. The Dukes of Hazzard. Back to the Future. Are these all cards? It says that they're stickers. Ew. That's not charming. I don't know. A lot of these look before my time. Then. Is this supposed to be Johnny Depp? Interesting. It says that this is 5 cards and stickers and 1 stick of gum. Do you think the gum would still be good? Probably not, huh? Oh, this one comes with 5 cards, 1 sticker, and 1 stick of bubble gum. This one also comes with bubble gum. Why do so many of these come with bubble gum? I don't know. We're too young to know what these are. This says Wolverine. Is it just trading cards? I get the ones that are only trading cards. I do not get the ones that have gum in them, but maybe like, oh look, this one's interesting. These different Batmans. Yeah, maybe the selling stuff like bubblegum was more lax back then, you know? Interesting though. I was looking around and a lot of people, they still have like their spot like allocated, but they haven't set up yet just because it was too crazy of a move.
It was a nice, it's still kind of, I wouldn't say see, I'm one of the guys that paid to have my booth done.
Yeah.
So I bought all this grid and I paid for everything.
Right.
People, like my friends over there that didn't, you know, people couldn't find these stupid fasteners up there. The city made them all have to buy those certain fasteners, you know, like these. And you have to build the booth.
Zip ties!
What's that?
Zip ties.
Exactly. They won't let us do that.
Really?
Yeah. So that's why a lot of people don't have
So there
their
are
booths
requirements for how you have to set up the booth
and nobody's
everything?
selling those. They're all sold out. So that's what killed us.
Wow.
So for me, I got my booth set up 2 days ago, so I've only been able to drop the black cloth behind it.
Yeah.
And then this morning, I came in and hung up all the signs. You know, so now I got to go home and cut, and we're open up tomorrow. So I need product.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, we're open up Saturday and Sunday now, plus Wednesdays.
So now it's open 3 days a week?
3 days a week. So Saturday and Sunday is going to be.
This is gonna be insanity.
Hopefully it's great because this is a.
Because today it was packed.
Yeah, well, it's grand opening.
Yeah, so I'm wondering if it's gonna consistently stay like that because
I hope so.
there's the bigger parking and stuff, so more people were already excited that there was more parking.
Plus
But
the
even
summer.
with the more parking, now it's just.
Well, it's opening day.
Yeah. Well, he seemed nice. So yeah, he said that a lot of people were still having a hard time setting up. Oh yeah, and it looks like he's right. Everyone has to use these special fasteners. Okay guys, so we have reached the edge of this row and we've gone down all the rows and then we've gone up and down this one multiple times and then we went up and down the other one multiple times and we talked to some people. Oh my gosh, that's amazing! Their Be Right Back sign has a jellyfish.
Oh, you're so backhanded there.
Yes, I am. Anyway, I liked that. That was cool. So, I think that we've seen everything we're gonna see here. There's only like 2 more hours-ish open before it closes. But I might as well give my parking space to someone who's still driving around the parking lot trying to find somewhere to park to get in to see this place. So, yeah, I will do my outro more towards the exit. Okay, and it looks like they moved, well, a lot of the arcade stuff over here. This definitely isn't everything. And then this is the exit. Yeah, this isn't everything that they had the last time. But, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do my outro here. And that, we walked through every aisle and saw every booth and talked to a couple people. So, yeah, that's basically all we can do for right now. So, that was opening day of Freaking Sons. Hope it was informative and you liked it. Might do an update as everyone gets settled in. But for now, that's basically all I got for you. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey everyone, Lety here. Just trying on another outfit for my Winter of Workout Wear Try-On Haul, January 2020. And if you want to see me work out while wearing this pink golf outfit, you can go ahead and vote for it by checking out that video down there. Bye!